Let us see how to format the number as a zip code in Google Sheets. So let us say we have got this number and we want to format it as a zip code. So just click on that number and then you have to go to format and then click on number and then custom number format. And here you have to type like this. So whatever numbers you want before the dash, followed by a dash, then whatever number you want after the dash. Then click on apply. And that's it. That's how you can format the number as a zip code in Google Sheets. And you can do the same thing for other countries as well. Other countries might have different format for the zip code. So just go to the format and then type whatever format you want this number in. That's it. Thanks for watching.